Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my littlest son, well, littlest for a few more weeks anyways, my littlest son's closet. So if you are not aware, and the fact that I'm completely out of breath right now as I try to talk, I am 30 weeks pregnant and I am nesting like crazy. I have been nesting for quite a while now. So every room in my house is getting organized and a makeover, and I am so excited to organize this little guy's closet. So I'll show you guys a before of what it looks like. Everything is just kind of thrown in there. When he was born, when I did his whole nursery, the closet was very nice and organized. And of course, over time, that just doesn't maintain, or at least I'm really bad at maintaining it apparently. But I just started throwing things in there because it was just easiest at the time, and now it's like I really need to organize it. So I did get some, I ordered one thing that is really cool off of Amazon. I'll show you guys. I haven't put it together yet, so I'll put it together with you, review it. Hopefully it turns out like I want it to. And then I got some baskets from Homegoods because you guys know that I love shopping at Homegoods and Marshalls and TJ Maxx for home decor, and especially baskets to store things because they are pretty inexpensive and they have a really nice selection. I'll show you where I store toys. I get that question a lot. People always ask, well, where do you store toys? Because they never see them in my house. We have toys, believe me. I just try to hide them and conceal them. My boys are here with me, so hopefully they're gonna let me get this done. I'm gonna try to purge a few toys or things, items that we don't use, and make it just a little bit more minimalistic. So let's go ahead and get started on organizing the closet. I don't know how long this is gonna take me. Hopefully this is a quick and easy project and you guys will be super motivated once you see the before and after. All right, so opening up the closet right now. This is what it looks like. His clothes are hung up, you know, not in any kind of special order, but they're hung. I've got an extra IKEA high chair up here. It looks a little bit dirty from here. That's kind of gross. But we have two of the IKEA high chairs and we just didn't need it right now. We probably will need it here in like, you know, 6 months or something. But here is an organizer that I used back when this was more organized. I've got like crib sheets and blankets, and I had burp cloths and all that kind of stuff in here. This worked as a really nice organizer, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I've had it for quite some time. It did serve its purpose. So if you guys are looking for something inexpensive that works good for a nursery, this is by the Munchkin brand. I will link it below, but I'm not sure if I'm going to need this anymore really. I have some extra baskets here. I've got like curtain rods, wall decor, and like 100 diaper bags, I swear. I've got 2 diaper bags over here. Here's our huge like grand DockATot, our old vacuum, a swing that we never got to use because we sold our swing set, play balls, and it's just a mess in here. So here is the organizer that I got. It's like a toy organizer, but I'm sure you guys have seen these before. Usually they're like all different colors, but this one is gray and white. So I was really excited about that because I love my neutrals.
I want white.
You want white?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is by the brand Tot Tutors, and I will link I will link this below in the description box for you guys.
Guys, in the box. 140, 18, 16.
Good job.
Yeah? Open Cooper's box?
Is this Cooper's box?
Yes. That's Cooper's box. I make it down.
You're gonna jump? Woo! Big jump!
I hope.
Okay, well I gotta pull everything out of here.
Okay. Maybe. Watch this. Look, there's not a class of get started. The animal.
This room is a disaster now. I mean, there's just stuff pulled out from a closet everywhere and it is giving me major anxiety. We just took a quick little run to pick up some lunch and stuff because the kids were getting a little bit crazy. It was getting impossible for me to work in here, so I think it helped. They're now in the living room playing nicely together. I think Cash is gonna have to take a nap soon, so I might have to pause this for just a little while he naps in here. But I wanted to tell you guys what I plan on doing in these. So I'm going to try and organize the toys by different types. So if we have blocks or Legos, we don't really have a lot of Legos. My boys aren't really into them right now, which I'm kind of thankful for because I'm not a big fan of Legos. But we have some blocks and we have a lot of trucks and cars and balls and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to organize them by category in there, just so everything has a place and looks nice and organized. I'm also going to get rid of some stuff that they're not playing with because they don't play with 50% of the toys that they have. So I have all of these balls like this, these play balls, and the kids love playing with them, especially Cash, but they end up all over the house and I'm not sure how much longer they're gonna last. I'm gonna see if one of these will hold them because I don't know what to do with them otherwise. They're kind of a pain. So here is the Brio train set that we have. These are very expensive and I'm trying to keep all the pieces together. Let me see how this fits in here. So right now I'm just going through the toy box that is right here. I'll show you guys this in just a minute. It's from Homegoods. It's really cute. And I'm just either putting them in these bins over here. Cash just, see what I mean? I don't know how much longer I can keep these balls around. But I'm gonna go through these toys, get rid of ones they don't play with that are old, and donate them, and then keep the ones that they do play with and separate them in here. So I have a feeling a lot of these are going to be like truck bins just because we have so many trucks. But again, we need to get rid of a few of them. So these are 2 baskets that I got at Homegoods. That is where I love to get baskets like these. They were $12.99 a piece. They had some smaller versions. They had some that were $9.99 and they were a little bit smaller than this. So I was having a really hard time deciding if I should get 2 of the big ones because that's all that they had. They didn't have any more, or 3 of the smaller ones. But I have some crib sheets that I need to put away in here. I'm not really sure because I still have room in his dresser also for things like crib sheets, so I'm gonna try and decide what I want to put in here. So this is the finished closet. I am so happy with the way that it turned out. I love this toy organizer. I could not recommend this enough. The organization of it makes me so happy. I tried to organize all of the littler toys that we have and then put the bigger ones in this toy bin right here. This toy bin is from Homegoods, and it works for storing bigger trucks and balls and stuff like that, but this has been so nice. My kids can actually see what they have to play with instead of it just being thrown into a thing like this where they have to dig through it. I just have some construction vehicles in here. Cooper has so many trucks that I just decided to separate them, try and give them a little separation of the construction ones versus just the regular cars and trucks. Then we've got some Jenga blocks in here that the kids don't exactly play Jenga with. They just like to build roads and sidewalks and stuff. And then this one is full of like little baby toys, so probably for the new baby. These are Cash has grown out of most of those. And then the infamous plastic balls that my kids love to just throw all over the room. These are the electronic, or the the electric Thomas the Train engines. We have a whole bunch of those. And then these are some blocks. These are like a farm, so it's got like a house and all the animals. And this is the Brio train set that we have. This is play food. These are just some white foam baseballs that the kids like to play with. Then we have regular blocks, baseball gloves that they will play with the balls with, and then the construction trucks, like I said. These are Cash's clothes, and I didn't do too much to these except for kind of space out the hangers. The hangers are from Homegoods. I believe I have some from Homegoods and some from Amazon. They're like a baby toddler size velvet hanger, and I will link those below if I can find them. But I realized when I was filming this that Cash has a lot less clothes than my other 2 boys. So I don't know why that is, but he does have a few in the laundry room that need to be hung up probably. But this is just jackets, rompers, and then tops. All of his pants and shorts are in the drawers. And then here are the 2 baskets that I got from Homegoods. This one I believe has crib sheets and blankets. So we've got some blankets at the bottom, crib sheets, and then also a changing pad cover. This one has the next season's clothes. So these were all Cooper's hand-me-downs. These are size, they're either 18 to 24 months or 2T. That way he can wear these in the winter. And then this is a fun little activity cube that he does play with. I just put it up here to get it out of the way off of the ground. But this is from Amazon. I can link that below. He loves to play with that. All of my kids kind of play with that. So, and then I just have extra hangers right over here. And then we've got like an IKEA tunnel over there. And then this is Cooper's school backpack. He has gone to camp this summer, and then he will go to a little preschool twice a week in the fall. So I am so pleased with the way that this turned out. I cannot tell you guys how good it feels to have this area organized. So that is it for my kids closet organization video and toy organization. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did end up getting rid of quite a few bags of toys, and it feels so good to have a nice clean closet for my son. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys next time.